Tracfone's access denied, error 15, typically blocks your login attempts due to security measures. This is often triggered by account issues like low balance or suspension, IP address problems related to firewalls or proxies, or VPN interference. Tracfone uses these checks to prevent fraud and unauthorized access, so the error isn't necessarily a sign of a hack, but rather an overzealous security protocol. This is a common issue across Tracfone's website, app, and even customer service tools. We'll cover quick fixes to get you back online. Let's tackle the common causes. First, account issues. Ensure your account is active and has sufficient balance. Recharge if necessary. Next, IP firewall problems. Switch to a private network. Temporarily disable your VPN. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to resolve IP conflicts. Then, VPN interference. Use a reputable VPN provider with dedicated IPs. Free VPNs are often blocked. As a last resort, you can contact Tracfone customer service at 1-800-867-7183 for direct assistance.